This episode is titled 33, 88, 11, and 12 React to Numberblock 40 Snoring. Enjoy the video! But before I start, Numberblocks is owned by Bluezoo and I do not own the show. So credit to Bluezoo for this show. You can now resume watching.
Hi. We are 33, 88, 11, and 12. Today, we're all reacting to Numberblock 40 Snoring.
The Snore Queen heard it before, and she said it was bizarre.
But let's watch it ourselves and the snoring sound effect will be shown, and timestamp will be in the description.
Nice snap.
Oh my God!
Oh my god. Guys, did you hear that? He's snoring crazily, and wearily.
That was genuine. Stay tuned for episode 782.